You guys already know this video is going to be lit because it is iEman. Welcome to the channel and welcome to the family. So today for you guys, I'm going to be talking about 7 reasons why you should still go ahead and buy the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra in 2021. So without further ado, let's get straight right into the video. So first of all, I just want to let you guys know, if you enjoy my videos and you enjoy the channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and also like the video, share the video, and comment down below as well and tell me what you think about the video as well. And yes, there's been a lot of questions asked, especially over the 3 months that I haven't actually uploaded on the YouTube channel. And why is because I had a problem with a lens with Amazon, which I will be, making a video on as well. And if you guys want to, watch that video or interested in that video, then let me know and I'll be sure to make that video. But yeah, Amazon just is a big fraud. They scammed me basically. But anyway, I'm not going to get into that. But if you want to talk to you guys about it, then just let me know down in the comment section below or on my social media platform. But yeah, anyway, so first of all, got a new lens now, so videos is going to be pumping out, so you guys best be ready. But yeah, anyway, let's get straight right into it. So first of all, the design of the device. The device is it's got a nice design to it. And what Samsung has actually done with the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra and this S21, the S21 lineup design is just absolutely stunning. They've given us a completely different type of design coming from the Samsung Galaxy S20 and the S20 Ultra. And yeah, it's literally, they've given us one design and the next year they've given us another design, and that's very rare from Samsung because they keep kind of the design of the phone relatively the same throughout the years, and then obviously when people start getting bored, they change it up and make something nice. But yeah, it's quite surprising that they went from the design of the Samsung Galaxy S20 to the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, which is just absolutely awesome. But yeah, the device is just absolutely stunning. It looks nice, it feels nice in the hand to hold. It's just an absolute beautiful design. Obviously, round on the side of it is made out of aluminum for the Americans. And yeah, just the color as well. I've got the performante black in my hand. I've been actually using this device since it came out. It's just an absolutely stunning device. And then the camera design as well, just absolutely out of this world. It just looks absolutely amazing. If you guys can see that, it's just a dream. It's like we're living in 20, I don't know, 35 or something. But yeah, it's just the aesthetics of the phone it's just an absolute beautiful phone. And then the front display as well, how big it is, the fact that they don't use a lot of the screen real estate is just absolutely massive. And yeah, what they've done is actually used as much room and as much of the device to actually make a screen, which is just absolutely awesome. And then the device itself is just absolutely impressive. Like, it's so fast, it's so snappy, it's just everything that you want to carry with you on a day-to-day basis. It does everything so quickly. You browse the web, even you can take pictures so quickly. You've got that function to press, double press the lock button, and it literally brings you up to the camera, which is absolutely awesome. And yeah, it's light as well. It's an absolute beautiful device to use, as obviously if you got the money for it. But yeah, anyway, I mean, time's gone on. You can pick them up for cheap now, maybe 500 or 600 or something like that pound. I'm not sure, but they should be gone. They should be cheap by now. And then we'll move on to the battery life on this. The battery life is absolutely incredible. Literally, the battery life lasts me a whole day, which is absolutely awesome. It's got a 4,800 milliamp battery inside of this, which is, to me, beyond belief, because the phone is so small and so light and so thin. I don't know how they're able to cram all that battery size in there, but it's absolutely awesome. Literally, the whole day lasts me, and I still have about 60, 50, or even 40 something percent when obviously I get home for the day. But yeah, that's heavy use. Camera, social media, phoning people up, stuff like that. It's just like, you know, I use it how you're meant to use a device, and yet the battery is absolutely awesome. It lasts me all day, which is absolutely awesome. And then another thing on this device is the specs. It's got the top of the range, top of the line spec of that you can basically get on a smartphone in 2020 or 2021. It's fast. It's absolutely awesome. And obviously, you got that 120 hertz refresh rate on the device. It's so fast, so snappy. But there is a catch to it. If you want to get that, if you want to access that 120 hertz, you're gonna have to turn the screen quality down to QHD, which is a bummer. But the screen still looks absolutely awesome, even if you downgrade the quality of the screen. But then you're going to be getting that 120 gigahertz refresh rate, which is just absolutely awesome. But me personally, yes, there is a big difference between 120 hertz and 60 hertz, but I'm a guy that loves and appreciate the top quality on the device that you can get and on the screen. So that's why I go with the WQHD and just leave it at 60 hertz refresh rate. But it's still awesome, still good, and it looks absolutely beautiful. And then rocking in here is got the Snapdragon 888. Very, very fast chip, and it's just an absolutely amazing, it's just such a breeze for this device. It's just absolutely awesome. It's amazing. And then speaking about the RAM, you get 12 gig of RAM in this. So the S20 and the S20 Plus has an 8 gig of RAM, but this is boosted up to a 12 gig of RAM, which is just absolutely awesome. And also, when I tell you guys this phone is quick, it is very quick because it's got 12 gig of RAM, which is just awesome. And think about it, that's the kind of specs of RAM you're gonna get in a PC, like a low budget gaming PC, which is just absolutely awesome. They're able to manage to fit it all in this tiny little device. It's absolutely awesome. And then you got the wireless power share. It's one of the wireless power share is actually one of the features on this one that came out that I was very spectacle about, but it absolutely works flawlessly, literally so flawlessly. You can charge your Samsung Galaxy Buds on here, and you can just pretty much charge whatever you can charge. Whatever you want to charge, as long as it has NFC, then you can charge it. Literally, you can charge anything. I've used this feature a lot of times to save myself. Like when my earbuds are dying, I just quickly slap it on. And the wireless charging on this is quick as well. And it's just absolutely awesome. I love it. Yeah, it's absolutely nice. And then fast charging, and also what I'm very, very surprised about is this has a fast charging fast wireless charging as well. So you put it on your wireless charger and it charges it very quickly, which is absolutely phenomenal and absolutely awesome. And then the camera has just literally shaking the whole world down. Obviously in 2019, when they came with the Samsung Galaxy S20 with the 108 megapixel camera at the back, everyone was like, whoa. I was like, whoa. And everyone pretty much was like, whoa, that's the most biggest megapixel lens we've ever seen on a device at all. And that was just absolutely awesome. Obviously they did it with the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, and it needed a little bit of work. And the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra now, Samsung has actually improved the work they've put onto the camera, and it just looks absolutely flawless. But there is one little issue I'm having with this 108 megapixel camera. Is compared to my Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, when you take a picture, it kind of looks more clear on the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, but it's more sharper and more crisp on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. So it just depends on you. If you want more vibrant or more sharpness, then you have to pick between the S20 or the S21 Ultra, because both phones are absolutely beast of a device, which is just absolutely awesome. And then for the front camera as well, you get a 40 megapixel camera, which does a very, very good job. Picks up all the details on your face, your hair. It's an absolutely awesome front facing camera you can get on a device. And then The picture quality as well and the photo quality as well, just absolutely amazing. Right, there's a little bit of a twist here. The picture quality is phenomenal, but the video quality is not as great as you may think, especially indoors. It's just a smartphone is a phone you can just pick up and do whatever you want with it just quickly. The camera, on that hand, is not the best when it comes to video, especially in low light situations or like in a building kind of vibe. But when you're outside, whew, don't get me wrong, this camera is absolutely a beast. But when you're inside, I don't know what happens with the lens or anything like that, but it's just not as crisp as it would be when you're outside. There's a lot of like, I don't know what to call it. There's a lot of I don't know. It's just a lot of tinge in the picture quality or something like that. I'm not sure myself. But when you're outside and is not even have to be bright. When you're just outside and you're getting the natural light around you, it looks absolutely awesome. Now going to the S Pen support. This phone actually supports S Pen. So obviously the front of the device is made out of glass, but it's made out of some kind of glass that I believe the Note series are made out of, but still tough, which enables you to use the S Pen on this device. It doesn't come with an S Pen, unfortunately, but that's something you have to buy separate. But I mean, I wouldn't want an S Pen to be on this phone anyways, because the way it looks and feels right now is just absolutely sleek. I like the fact that they leave it as an option for you to get the S Pen to use on the device, which is just absolutely awesome. And then the fingerprint scanner as well has been improved, and it just works absolutely flawlessly. So fast, couldn't ask for anything better. It's like literally the fingerprint scanner is just like Apple's Face ID scanner. The Face ID on the iPhones, I give them that. I'm not an iPhone fan, but I give them that. It's absolutely quick. Even at night time, put it up and it just literally scans your face and locks your phone. It's just absolutely awesome. And then, but yeah, Samsung has improvised that with the fingerprint scanner on this as well. So literally, boom. Wait, I'm not touching it properly. So literally, boom, locked, boom. Boom. It's so freaking snappy and so fast. And also one little feature that I want to mention as well at the end of this video is the fact that you can double tap to unlock to wake the device up as well. And when you're inside of it, I've only learned this recently, you can double tap. There's an option you top tap, unlocks the phone. That's an absolutely genius feature. But yeah, anyway, that's all I have for you guys. And once again, I apologize if for the lack of videos. I've just been having problems with the lens, but now I've got the lens, and yeah, I'm going to be pumping out videos out, which is absolutely awesome. But yeah, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Fold Flip is going to be coming out too as well. Wow, I cannot wait for them to come here. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below, tell me what you think of the video, share the video with your friends, and yeah, see you guys in my next one. Peace.